The Elder Wand is the most powerful wand in the Harry Potter universe and one of the three Deathly Hallows, along with the Invisibility Cloak and Resurrection Stone. The legends say uniting all three makes you the master of death. The wand is famously fickle, giving its true loyalty only to whoever defeats its previous master. Voldemort represents fear. Terrified of weakness and death, he hunts down the world's most powerful tool to force life to go his way. Voldemort thinks that holding the wand makes him the master. Instead, his fear of losing makes him a slave to it, leaving him in a constant paranoia and anger. When you live from a fear of trying to force relationship, micromanage people, or stress over every outcome, the thing you try to control end up controlling you. Harry represents wisdom. He walks into the forest and drops his weapon because he sees bigger picture. Since he's the Horcrux, and the only way to destroy a piece of Voldemort inside him and save his friend is to stop fighting and offer himself. Harry didn't give up out of weakness, he did it out of absolute wisdom, because wisdom allowed him to let go of everything to protect others. The magic flipped. The Elder Wand's curse couldn't touch him. It only destroyed a piece of Voldemort trapped inside him. The wand recognized Harry as its true master because he was the only person who didn't need its power to feel whole. When you have the wisdom to stop forcing and accept reality, massive weight lifts. When Harry snaps the wand at the end, his wisdom is saying that I don't need this to be safe. Real safety is inside your own self belief. You may or may not have anyone or anything, but your self belief will always save you. True inner peace does not come from having upper hand or being strongest person in the room. It comes when wisdom allows you to look at the game of control and walk away. The ultimate takeaway is you don't win fight by fighting harder. You win by outgrowing the fight.